what's been on my mind. Sick and tired of the 9 to 5 in the city life. Hey darling, we could get out of town, see the beautiful world around, wanna see it now. Pack our bags and get in that car.
Have you ever wondered what is common between all these beautiful homes that we see in these books, magazines, and TV shows? No, not the beautiful furniture. It is that all these beautiful homes looks beautiful because they stay clean, tidy, and dust-free. Hi everyone, my name is Kaushiki and welcome to my channel. Today, I want to talk about how I keep my home clean and tidy and what's there in my cleaning caddy. This is my cleaning caddy where I keep all my daily essentials of cleaning. I have very simple and easy way of cleaning my home. I use this metal caddy. I got it from a flea market for 50 rupees. In this I store my all-purpose cleaner, water, a fresh toilet paper roll, lint roller, a soft bristle brush, wipes, microfiber gloves and microfiber cloth. This microfiber glove has these microfiber bristles on it and it is super soft. It does not scratch any surface. It is perfect when I'm doing a speed cleaning of all my photo frames, articles, hard to read spots. These two spray bottles I got it from Amazon and I filled it with one with all-purpose cleaner, one part all-purpose cleaner and one part water. This is a plain water and when I'm using with my microfiber cloth, I barely need any other thing than water. This microfiber cloth is one of my favorite tool in my caddy as I use it almost all the time. You can make out. This gets used every single day. I have 2 sets of this. Just a squirt of water. There is one tip that I want to give while you're dusting. One is always start from top and then go to the bottom. And other, always take the thing away, dust it, and then keep it back in the place. By this, you will be able to remove all the dust. This is a lint roller and I have shown it many a times on my video. I use it in all my upholstered surfaces and it is best for cleaning the lamps. Anything that is stuck on the lampshade, whatever tool you use, they will not come out. This lint roller comes super handy. Disinfectant wipes are not only in my cleaning caddy but also in my bathroom cleaning caddy as well. It is perfect to disinfect frequently touch points. I also use these wipes to clean my fans. I keep a roll of fresh TP in the caddy. Just a squirt of water and some TP helps me to clean all my glass surfaces. And cleaning the mirrors is super easy. This soft bristle brush comes super handy while cleaning the upholstered furniture. It does not scratch or destroy the fabric at all. This is how I organize my simple little caddy. For floor to wall, or to wall to floor I should say, I use this Flat Mop. It comes with a microfiber attachment and this solution compartment. You fill the solution in this compartment and on the handle there is a trigger. Every time you press the trigger, the solution comes out. I most of the time use simple water and vinegar solution to clean the floors. The flexible head makes it really easy to clean all the baseboards and it gets inside any nook or crannies. With the space being so limited in my home, it works wonders in working around all the tiny little corners. I use my microfiber cloth along with some paper clips to attach it on the head of this Flat Mop. And this becomes a perfect tool to clean all the walls. I don't need any ladder, I don't need anything. Since it is super lightweight, it makes cleaning of the walls absolutely like a magic. And yes, your walls also collects dust. The weather in Mumbai has been so beautiful by far. Today I decided to make something nutritious but still simple. Mix veg pulao with vegetable raita. I'll chop all the veggies, carrots, peas, beans, onions. Add some whole spices.
How many smiles does it take to
Few
be
dry fruits.
happy? How many times
And stir in all the vegetables.
me before you get the chance?
The recipe is super easy. I'm adding some mushroom, I had it on hand. But it's completely optional.
How many songs can you write about heartbreak? How
I added some soaked rice.
when you fed up,
I'll stir this for some time.
maybe I just found the answer.
Adding some spices of choice. Here I've added cinnamon and cardamom.
I want you to know we can make it together. Let the wind blow. All we need is each other. Come take my hand. You're all that I have now. I won't let you go. 'Cause I found all the answers in you.
Ishi helps me to set the table every evening. She really looks forward for the dinner time. Where we can chit chat together with simple food. Good music.
Take me away. I'm okay if I got you. We don't have to stay. We can do what we want to. Just give a little bit of your heart. Give a little bit of your heart to me. All of my scars start to heal when I'm with you, and I can't explain how I feel when I'm with you. Just give a little bit of your heart. Give a little bit of your heart to me.